Okay, here we go. First build video for the Konghead. So let's move this out of the way and we'll reveal the little workstation and what's going on. When I opened up the whole parts bag, just a quick overview, you get your A parts that we'll look at, you get your B parts, your C parts, you get all of your ball bearings, which I've upgraded to the proper ball bearings. And then these two bits I think are for the four-wheel steering pack, which I'm not necessarily going to do. There's my ESC, electronic speed controller. There's my servo, bought separately. There's the Tamiya standard 540 silver can motor that you get with the kit. This is part of the chassis. So let's move over to the instruction book. And the first part, the A parts bag and build set, is putting the chassis together with all the gears. So here you are, here's the chassis piece. And I will walk through this as we go. Build differentials, no fewer than 3 differentials, I believe. Yeah, make 3 there. Differentials go in, and then you put all your idler gears in. And then you attach the 2 sides of the chassis together. Then you move on to the B parts, or you mount the motor, move on to the B parts. So I will do a little interim video at some point, but that's just that. Let's have a look at the A parts. Plenty of metal pieces, which is nice. So it's not all plastic gears. There's your drive gear from the motor. You get your kind of motor spacer. You get some grease, some anti-wear grease, loads and loads of screws. And then these parts here are for the differential. And then these are some solid metal kind of through axles to build it all with. So yeah, good quality gearing parts so far. We will look at the B and the C parts in more detail when I unpack those bags, but otherwise, let's get building. Right, step 1 is done, which was some fairly kind of unnoteworthy bits to add to the main chassis. Step 4 really is to build the differential, of which there are 3, and they're pretty big chunky differentials, and I just thought I'd have laid out for you all of the gears. So there's loads of them, 3 differentials, 3 of these, 3 of these, 3 of these, 3 of these. There's all the metal bits, so lots and lots of gears, as you'd expect, given the entire body is the drivetrain. Right, here's the differential close-up then. So I've built these before. Here are the bits that go in, 2 washers, 2 of these bevel gears, and then you've got 3 small bevel gears attached. So I'm going to put that together, and then I've got to make 3 of them. And then they slot into the body underneath here. Right, so what you are looking at here is a fully built, well greased up side to the chassis, and the other side to the chassis. So the next step 11, is to put it all together, both sides, 12 of these little screws. I'm absolutely certain I haven't missed anything, but I have 3 cogs left over. Not uncommon in a Tamiya kit, they give you different bits to what you need for the kit, but I'm going to double check that before I put it together. But there we go, that is the step 11. Next time you see it, it will be 1.